Hello and welcome to the New Indian Express. I am Anusha Ravi Sood and with me is my colleague Chetna Belegere. We bring to you today's updates on COVID-19, at least in Karnataka. Till about 7 p.m. it seems like good news finally. Not a single additional case of COVID-19 has been reported in Karnataka. The tally stands at 15. That is definitely heartening news coming forward. Also, about 5 patients who were under quarantine, who were being treated at different hospitals in the state, have completely recovered and are ready to go home. Yesterday, 2 patients had recovered. Now we understand 3 more patients have recovered completely. They will be discharged starting Sunday following protocols. Now, earlier today, the Chief Minister, along with his COVID-19 task force with Mr. Basavaraj Bommai, the Home Minister, Deputy Chief Minister Ashwath Narayana, Health Minister Sri Ramalu and Medical Education Minister Sudhakar, all of them were in this video conference. The Prime Minister is said to have expressed confidence in the kind of measures that Karnataka has taken to contain the spread of COVID-19 in the state. The Chief Minister has appealed to the Prime Minister that a meeting with merchants should be held from the central government to ensure that there is enough medicines, there is enough commodities in the market, so stores do not run out of supplies. The Chief Minister has appealed to the people: do not panic buy, do not panic purchase. We are not in a situation right now where we'll run out of supplies, be it medicines, be it groceries, be it any kind of commodities. The Chief Minister is also said to have conveyed to the Prime Minister that as of now the situation in Karnataka is under control. 24/7 healthcare experts, healthcare providers, private players, the government, officials of the state government are all working together to ensure containment of this virus. The Prime Minister on his part is said to have given confidence to the state government on setting up testing facilities in about 3 more places. Let's remember, the Chief Minister earlier today said that a testing facility will start functioning in Kalaburgi, the district which has the second highest number of cases in Karnataka. Testing will begin in this facility starting 21st of March, that is tomorrow. And the Prime Minister has responded in the positive to the state government's request of setting up labs in Hubli, Mangalore as well as Bellary. Just about a few minutes ago, the Medical Education Minister held a press conference of the day's updates, and for that, let me go across to Chetna. What seem to be the highlights of the press conference today?
One is the good news which you already told about, how patients are recovering, which is really a good news. And then, as per protocol, they will start discharging them from between Monday and Wednesday, because they have to complete their 14 days quarantine, which is either in the hospital or this thing. And also 2 reports of theirs has to turn negative. 5 of them have already come and they are negative. They're still waiting for the other reports to come along. And meanwhile, we have very few, even today when they have tested around 64 cases, and they have got about 55 negative in that. So that's again some good news there.
Others are results awaited.
Yeah. So. And also they've asked for reagents that will be supplied soon. And there's something about ventilators which is really in need, because this is the time when most of the respiratory related illness starts. So it's not just COVID-19, but even other patients will need ventilators. So government has demanded that, has asked that from the central government, and they have said that they will be giving they will soon be getting about 5,000 oxygen facilitated beds, and about 500 ventilators will be given. And meanwhile, Kiran Majumdar-Shah has come forward, and Biocon has said that they will set up, they will give ventilators. The number is not known yet, but then they've identified some of the government hospitals where they can provide this facility, which means that there is going to be some kind of relief for people who are worried that they might not get better healthcare here in Karnataka. So
like Biocon, a lot of companies are coming forward to work with the government on their CSR to help the government at this time of crisis. Well, for people at large, let's remember, starting Saturday evening, all pubs and bars will remain shut in Karnataka. For kitchens of restaurants and hotels will remain open, but no dining facilities will be provided specifically in Bangalore. Food can be delivered to your doorstep, or you can order food and pick it up later, but no dining facilities will be allowed. As of now, in line with the Prime Minister's appeal that people should quarantine themselves on Sunday, under the concept of Janta curfew. The state government has also accepted the proposal, in fact is supporting it and encouraging people to do that too. Are we going to look at transport halts? What is in store on
Metro
Sunday?
right now they've announced that it's going to be closed. BMRCL will be closed. So, but I think BMTC will run, but they have reduced the number of buses which will be on the road on that day. So, cabs and auto drivers have also said they might refrain from being on the road. So, cabs are yet to be confirmed. The cab aggregators are yet to confirm this to us. Most of the ration shops have said that they might show, provisional stores might be shut. So, we are looking at other essential commodities, but I've been told that will be available, like your milk supply, and those things might not get affected.
So all essential services will continue. However, the government has asked for all non-essential services to be closed until the 31st of March. This apart, there will be no impact on board examinations.
Yes.
As I understand, the education minister put
He
out
has
a tweet to
clarified
clarify.
that second PUC exams which are pending will continue as usual, and 10th exams, SSLC exam will continue. There will not be any change in it as of now. Precautions have been taken. The measures have been already in place. So there is going to be a distance maintained. All that has been worked out. So they have said that right now there is no, cancellation or rescheduling or anything of that sort as far as SSLC exams are concerned, and PUC exams, second PUC exams will also continue.
Okay, so prepare for examinations. No chutti on the examination
Yes.
front, at least for students who are facing board exams. We wish you the very best. But this is the time, perhaps, for the citizenry also to join hands with the government. The appeal is quite simple: isolate yourself, practice quarantine, practice home quarantine, isolate yourself, or social distancing is key. Stay away from events, stay away from huge gatherings, stay away from conventions. A lot of spiritual leaders, religious heads, all of them have come out and advised the same. We at The Express will bring you the latest updates on COVID-19. Do stay tuned. Meanwhile, do practice quarantine. Thank you.